Take a ride in the 2014 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, privacy glass, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Come see the car for yourself.